Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace in 2025. The complete guide, whether you are trying to sell old furniture, buy a used phone, or browse local deals, I will walk you through everything. How to post, filter messages, and stay safe. Let's jump right in. Facebook Marketplace is a built-in platform inside Facebook where users can buy and sell almost anything locally or through nationwide shipping. To access Marketplace in 2025 on desktop, click the Marketplace icon or menu icon, then scroll down and select Marketplace. Or also in your left-hand side dashboard, click Marketplace. On mobile, tap the shop icon at the bottom or top right in some Android phones. If you don't see it, your account may be too new or restricted. Facebook sometimes limits marketplace access. Now, how to browse and filter listings. Once you are in, you will see listings near your location, like vehicles, furniture, electronics, etc. Price range, item condition, distance distance from your location, like that. Use the search bar at the top for specific items like iPhone 13, like that, or gaming chair. Always expand the filters to narrow your results for faster browsing. Found something you like, click or tap on the item to view details. Check seller information, click see details, like name, item description or price, shipping or pickup availability. If it looks good, click message and ask if it's still available. Be polite, specific ask specific questions like any damage or is price negotiable. Stay safe when buying. Meet in public places. Police stations often allow safe exchanges. Bring someone if it's a high value item. Avoid sending deposits unless you fully trust the seller. For shipping items, Facebook offers buyer protection, pay within the platform. Now let's list something to sell. Go back to your dashboard. Again, click Marketplace. Click Create New Listing. Then choose Item for Sale, a vehicle for sale, or property for sale or rent. Click on it. For a basic item listing, upload clear photos, good lighting help. Add a add a descriptive title like wooden study table, like new. Set your price. Research similar listings first. Choose category and condition. Add your location and availability. Pick up shipping. Then click next and follow the instruction and then click publish and your item goes live. Once listed, you will get messages in Facebook Messenger. Be responsive and honest. Mark items as sold when done. You can also hide your listing temporarily if it's unavailable. Use the Manage Listings section to edit, delete, or boost your item. Want to stand out and sell faster? Try these tips. Use keywords buyers search for, post in local buy and sell groups alongside marketplace. Offer bundle deals if selling multiple items. Respond quickly to messages. Facebook shows how responsive you are. Use boost listing to reach more people. Paid feature bonus. You can also schedule pickups with tools like Facebook's calendar tool built in to Messenger, and that's it. Now you know how to buy and that's it. Now you know how to buy and sell like a pro on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you are decluttering, bargain hunting, or side hustling, this is one of the easiest way to make money and save it. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and productivity tips, and let me know in what you have brought or sold on Marketplace. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.